I gotta tell you about this crazy ass dream I just had. Now, this dream, uh, man, like I don't know where to start. So, I had a dream that everybody got smart as hell. And in this dream, it was like everybody got a download of information, right? And it's about to sound crazy, but I want y'all to see if y'all can feel what I'm talking about. Now, in a dream, everybody got smarter through light. It was something that naturally happened, on Earth. It was crazy. It was like naturally happened to something happened to the X chromosomes in our body. Like I saw this image of an X, but it was like black and it had light coming from it. It was crazy. It was like light was encoded throughout this X chromosome. And correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe everybody have an X chromosome within their body. So I want y'all to do this little feeling, because how it felt to me, it felt like light was coming in through my belly button, dog. I know this shit sound crazy. I know this sound crazy. But this is a dream I had that everybody got smart, and it was through light, and it was like some type of connection that came through our belly buttons, bro. And like, if you can feel, I don't know, just try to feel like bliss or happiness, and like focus on your stomach though, like focus on your belly button area. Like, you gonna feel this feeling. Like whenever you feel real happy, if you look up the research though, like our stomach, our gut, that's like a second brain, and the body's serotonin, our feel good feelings, come from our gut. But in this dream, it was like this download of information that came through light. But it was like I felt this feeling, this sensation within my stomach, like my lower stomach, where my belly button at. You know what I'm saying? And it was just crazy. It was like, this dream was crazy because everybody was smart. And I just remember like the feeling of it, and being able to like, I was like looking up into space, and I saw this fucking X, and this X, that's why I was like, is that an X chromosome? Like, it wasn't nothing that told me that, but that's what it looked like, a DNA shaped figure, like what I saw in my dream. But everybody got smart. I saw it was a global grid connection, of everybody. It wasn't just me that was feeling like that, and this feeling, it came in through the stomach. It came in like through my gut, and I felt it like through my belly button, like this. It was like this light, almost this light connection that was like feeding me information, and I felt that shit. But I also felt that it was a global, like it was happening to everybody. Like, that's why I was like, it was like, that was one of the messages I got from the dream, was like, this is happening to everybody. So, crazy dream, man. This is a crazy dream. I'm just, documenting this dream, for y'all, because it was a crazy dream, and I want to know what y'all think about that, man. Like, because I do believe, our DNA, is affected by light, and what's going on, what people don't really talk about a lot, is global warming, right? So, global warming, the earth heating up, but how does the earth heat up? From sunlight, from the sun, by light. The earth heats up by the light from the sun. You know what I'm saying? And global warming is occurring, and more light from the sun is being transmitted to the planet. And it's not only affecting the planet, but it's affecting us. It's affecting us. Like, light affects our skin, it affects our mood, You know, light affects our whole biology, you know, and I truly believe it was a message in this dream, man. Like, that's all I really remember. It was like I saw this X chromosome, and the feeling I felt, like, I can't even explain this feeling I felt, you know what I'm saying? I want to post, I'm going to post the real video from when I woke up, because I actually woke up and recorded it, but it was dark, so I just wanted to, you know, when it got light, show y'all. But this dream was crazy, man. This dream was, like, man, the feeling that I felt. So yeah, I might just paste in the original clip so y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, this dream, it was like a download of information through light, and it felt like it was coming through my stomach, man. It felt like it was like if you can just try to feel real just like close your eyes and just try to like generate an emotion of happiness from your stomach, like, and just focus on your stomach area, and like try to allow that to spread like throughout your body, like allow that from right here in your stomach, allow that to like spread all over your body. And that's the feeling that I was feeling in this dream, man. And it's crazy. I know that shit sounds crazy to a lot of people, man, but it's the truth, man. And you know, I ain't know if I was gonna release this information out there, but I'm like, fuck it, what am I hiding it for? I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got shit to hide on Yon World. I gotta let y'all know, you know, my experience in this dream world, because I be having some crazy experiences, you know. I might just make a video going through my entire dream journal. You know, shit like this be personal, like me talking about my dreams and shit, and even me thinking about sharing my dream journal, like shit like that is personal. And I know, you know, everybody watching my videos ain't, you know what I'm saying, ain't 100% my friend, you know what I'm saying? Like, they ain't on my side for real. A lot of people is informants, so I recognize that, but it ain't stopping me, you know what I'm saying? That don't scare me, nigga. So I'm gonna keep dropping on my channel. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Crazy ass dream, man. Crazy ass dream. I truly believe, you know, our awakening is gonna happen through light. It's gonna happen from the sun. It's gonna happen, all this global warming shit they talking about, everything that's happening right now. Like, this like the 1960s all over again. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of change is gonna happen from this. Like, a lot of change has been happening and brewing up, and people are waking up. You know what I'm saying? And with technology, it's just faster now. Like, it's different, man. It's different now. You know what I'm saying? Like, before you had to go to the library, you had to go read and study. Now you can go to Google and learn everything right in the palm of your hand. Like, you could be right in the crib, you know, and learn everything. So I do believe like a change is coming. Like, a change is upon us, and a lot of old heads, y'all not gonna get it, bro. A lot of old heads not gonna get it. This is not for y'all, bro. It's not for y'all, you know what I'm saying? If you was smart, you would invest in a young nigga, but a lot of y'all wanna be, you know what I'm saying? So that's a whole nother conversation. But I respect the real OGs who can just give out game to the young heads and invest in the youth. You know, I respect those elders. I don't respect no elders that be trying to be like, you know, the youth and shit on us. And, you know what I'm saying, y'all had y'all moment. You better invest and understand what we talking about, understand this internet shit. You better invest in that, you know what I'm saying, because y'all way is out the way, you know what I'm saying? That's just play. But no, yeah, crazy dream. I'ma post my original clip just so y'all can hear like how it was, you know, when I woke up. I'm not gonna show my face, but y'all gonna hear how it was. So It's your boy Young World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.